Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we're going to go over the top 5 reasons to choose ClickFunnels over Builderall. Over the last month, I've been using Builderall. Well, I've actually paid now twice um, to use that funnel building program. I was going to try it in place of ClickFunnels, and it's been a mistake. But I want to go over the top 5 reasons to choose ClickFunnels over Builderall so that you guys are well aware of the comparisons. Um, I've worked on a little over 270 funnels for entrepreneurs, so I don't know. I've figured out a lot of tricks of the trade with funnels and ClickFunnels, and trying to work with Builderall has really been a headache to me. I finally had it today, so I'll do my 2018 review here and why I would choose ClickFunnels over Builderall. Support. So every day I've logged into Builderall. This is how they handle support through a forum, which is kind of ridiculous because it puts all your information out there to these people. But there are consistent issues with mailing boss domains, activating emails not even being sent once they're activated and scheduled. Really bad idea when you're promising a customer who's opted into your list that you're going to give them something immediately once they give you your email address. So I would say at the very least that the mailing boss is not working for them. I'd rather pay for a proven autoresponder like down below in the link, who's going to guarantee me that they're going to put my emails in the inbox or at least get them sent out. These guys, I built one funnel over New Year's Eve for New Year's resolution, and I've had something like 30 some opt-ins to that, and only 12 emails have sent. So I don't know. It's whitelisted. My domain's connected. Everything. It just doesn't send, and it's set up to send immediately. So I should show like 30 emails sent, but it's only like 12. Anyways, on to the next thing. ClickFunnels support may take time, but once it is fixed, it is fixed. In just 2 short weeks, I have spent all of that time dealing with the same issue with Builderall support for a client. Works one day and then not the next. Not sure what's going on there, but they've got a lot of issues with their email autoresponder. I brought this client over to Builderall and got him set up, and he really was concerned about emails being able to send, and I told him that so far no issues. And then yeah, I've had a bunch, he's had a bunch. Really kind of at a toss up there for what it may be, but I've worked with Builderall support, gotten their answers, and it's still not fixed. 2 weeks later, one day it'll work and one day it won't. So I will say that it gets frustrating waiting for ClickFunnels to get back to you on your chat message, but it's definitely worth it when they do, because once they tell you what it is, it's going to be fixed. And it gives you peace of mind. Communication. ClickFunnels will communicate the fix to you and make suggestions on what the issue is. A lot of times you might not know what it is or whatever. They'll tell you exactly what it is and how to fix it. They'll say you got an extra tracking code or your pixels in the wrong place or whatever the issue is. They're going to tell you how to fix it, and it's going to be fixed right. Mark does a great job with his tutorial videos. Not making any statements here, but Builderall support can barely speak or comprehend English. That's pretty apparent in their responses in emails, that they really don't understand what they're saying to you. Not being able to speak great English is fine, but when you're working with people whose native language is English, you should at least have support available that understands your message and conveys the issues and support back to you, and that's just not happening here with Builderall support. Very short messages that don't make sense to like the complaint that you submitted to them. They'll chop it up so bad that it really doesn't make sense to be the fix or whatever for your issue. Layouts. ClickFunnels, once it is done, it is done. The layout doesn't move or change, but Builderall, you can build a funnel and make it mobile friendly just to find out the next day the layout is all over the place. We've had opt-in box in the middle that has text over the top of it, or the text comes all garbled or moved or outside of the boxes or something. It really doesn't make any sense. You build a funnel, save it, and then the next day you get in there and it's looks like crap. That's part of what I done for my customer the first 3 days, was just going in and resaving the layout over and over and over, because every time we turned around, we pull it up on the browser or in the mobile or on tablet or something to be jacked up. But all of those areas, when it was done, were saved looking fine. They fit on mobile screens, they fit on the desktop, and then we get in there the next day or a couple days later and it's all over the place. So layout is one of them. Price, you get what you pay for with these two programs. I would rather pay $97 a month and have peace of mind than $40 a month, $49 a month, and not know if everything is functioning. Just one thing, Builderall's Mailing Boss sucks. There's tons and tons of complaints every day about that program, and nothing gets done about it, because customers keep paying them for them not to fix the issue. So they're not going to fix it until customers stop paying them and start demanding the product that they are paying for. So with ClickFunnels, you're going to have, a little bit more. You're going to have probably another 20 bucks on there if you get a good autoresponder like I mentioned down below. But even still, those two together are going to be much cheaper in the long run when you actually sell products instead of relying on Builderall and Mailing Boss, which don't work. Down below, there's a link. I ask you to click it, and you and I can set up your program to run smoothly and efficiently. And I look forward to working with you guys in the future. Thanks for watching this review. Bye.